ADA, I just want to give an update. Okay, if you refer to our analysis, we have been within in trade within this correction. And now the thing is, the traders, if they are in a trade, whether they move their stop loss to break even or not, at least if they can book some profit, because we want to see whether this one turn into the correction, big correction or not. Okay, one thing. The another one is some of the traders, they ask me whether they should look for buy or not. No, the thing is, if you want to buy, the best things is if the price can drop one more, then we get a flat. Then any buy from there we can look for buy. I mean, we can look for. That means if the price drop one more, then we will have this 1 2 3 at least. Then any trade from there we take it, because right now we cannot look for trade setup. Okay, and if we want to buy from here, if there is a continuation, the only thing is have entry above this. All right, even if we move to 15 minute, we see the way price is moving based on 15 minute, we cannot trade it because whatever we have is very small. All right, and if this one continue, the only things having entry above this, but having entry above the top is really risky every time, because as we can see here, this is the highest price for the ADA. Okay, this means really at the top the price easily can tag and reverse. That's why if anyone wants to have entry above the top, if the price tag within 1 hour not moving, we cannot stay with the trade, because if we want to have entry above the top, every time we mentioned we want the price to tag and continue. And when we tag and continue, the first correction we see, we start or stop loss to break even. Okay, and the thing is, that's why I mentioned if we can get one more drop, then any buy setup we can look for buy from there. At least we can expect any sharp move with the flag. Okay, by the way, right now we cannot jump into a trade. As I say, if you want to have a trade, only having a trade above the top, then I just leave it for the traders, whether they have experience or not. The only thing is, if it's not moving, we should know how to manage it. And if we look for forward chart, we see this is what we have been looking for, and we get this move. Okay, and the only thing is, if we want to look for another buy, we have to wait for the correction, as I explained, based on 1 hour chart. And right now the only correction is this one we're looking for. And the best things is, again, let the price drop one more, then any buy from there we'll look at it. And if the price continue from here, only option which is very aggressive, having entry above the stop. And we don't want to buy at the top and the price reverse in case. That's why traders, they should know how to trade if they want to have entry above the top. Anyway, we just wait and we see whether we can get one move down, then any buy from there we take it. But right now we don't have any reason to jump into the trade. Okay, by the way, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, then I will share. Thanks.